designed my own trap. Made it sleep, made it snap. Every line was sharp and tight. Now I'm stuck here every night. I drew the dream, I made it fit. Now I live inside of it. I designed my own trap, and I can't redraw the map. They said make it timeless, make it grand, so I gave it all I had. They said make it cheaper, make it fast, so I lost my mind at last. I built the walls to hold the weight, now they hold me in too late. I made it strong, I made it smart, but forgot to build a heart.